The license plate lights on a 2015-2020 Chevy Tahoe are located in the rear liftgate, specifically the spoiler or fascia area. First, determine your bulb type. Early 2015 to 2017 models often use 194 wedge-type incandescent bulbs, while later models from 2018 onwards typically have integrated LED arrays that may not be replaceable. To access the bulb, you'll need a flathead screwdriver or trim tool. Carefully pry off the lens cover, which is secured by either screws or clips. Take your time to avoid damage. Once the lens cover is removed, you'll see the bulb socket inside the housing. With the lens cover removed, unplug the bulb socket from the housing. If it's an incandescent bulb, twist it out of the socket. If it's an LED, it might be a direct fit LED or part of an integrated assembly. When installing the new bulb, wear gloves to avoid getting skin oils on it. For incandescent bulbs, simply twist the new bulb into the socket. For LED replacements, you may need to replace the entire assembly if the LED is integrated. Ensure the new bulb or assembly is securely connected. Test the light before reattaching the lens cover. If it doesn't light up, double-check the connection and ensure the vehicle's lights are switched on. Reattach the lens cover, making sure it's secure and properly aligned.